Body health problems. Body health problems refer to various health issues or medical conditions that affect the human body. Let us see some common body health problems. Anxiety. Feeling of unease, worry, or fear about something. Asthma. Condition that makes it difficult to breathe. Acne, tiny bumps called pimples start showing up on the skin. Arthritis. Joint inflammation that causes pain and stiffness in one or more joints, which can get worse with age. Cough. Big sneeze that comes from your throat or chest. Diabetes. A set of disorder characterized by an excess of sugar in the blood. Diarrhea. Loose watery waste that occurs more frequently than normal. Depression state of being extremely sad and unhappy for an extended period of time. Eczema. Skin condition which makes your skin red and make you scratch it again and again. Fever. Abnormal rise in the temperature of the body. Headache. Pain in the head. Heart attack. Blockage of blood flow to the heart muscles. Insomnia. Sleep disorder known as insomnia is characterized by trouble falling asleep. Malaria. Malaria is a disease spread by tiny insects known as mosquitoes. Nosebleed. Bleeding from the nose. Nausea. Feeling an urge to vomit. Obesity. A person has significantly more body fat than is healthy for their height and age. Sneeze. A burst of air or saliva is emitted from the mouth or nose. Stomach pain. Feeling of discomfort or distress in the area between the chest wall and the spine. Toothache. An intense pain or discomfort in one of your teeth. Vomit. To vomit stomach contents into your mouth. Wound. A wound caused by a cut, blow, or other impact on living tissues. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.